Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to go over how to reprint paychecks in QuickBooks. Now, if you want to print another copy of a paycheck of somebody on your payroll in QuickBooks, it's quite simple. All you need to do is go log in. And once you are in your dashboard, you want to click on the search bar on the top portion of your screen like so. Click on it, and this will appear. You want to click on Advanced Transaction Search like so. Here, this is going to be where all your transactions are going to be. So here's the thing. You can't just sift through everything, especially if you have so much transactions already. What you want to do is under transaction type, click on transaction type and go all the way and take or choose paycheck. Now, all of the paycheck transactions are going to be listed here, and choose the one you want to reprint. Now, once you've chosen, this is what you're going to see, right? It's going to have your name here, the person, what type of bank account. It says checking, of course. The address is going to be here. Payment date is going to be here. Check number is going to be here. What category is the payment for? If you have a description, and the amount. And if you want to reprint this check, all you need to do is click on print check here on the bottom center of your screen, and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.